amazing. Like, I want to get a room with the sushi. It's that good. अगर ये ब्लॉग नहीं आगे कंटिन्यू हो पाता तो समझ जाना पापा, आई एम सो सॉरी, आपकी बात मान लेनी चाहिए थी। मेरे को तुम दोनों के साथ नहीं आना चाहिए। चुप रहे, ठीक है। I am all ready. I'm wearing like a shirt for cover up, and then I might wear something over my head. My hair is so frizzy because it's raining so bad. But then this is it. I'm wearing Vanshika's Pradas, and it's just like elevating the look, I feel like.
You're welcome.
Take a look at it. She's standing. Oh.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies
अभी तो हम ये वाली जगह ही एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। ये तो पूरी कमर्शियल है ना, फिर कल हम बीबी आइलैंड वाली जगह जाएंगे, तो कल आइलैंड
and dancing the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free.
I'm here at Cafe Del Mar.
really photo.
This is the cafe. This is Lakshman. And we are waiting, so we should go. Chal bhai.
In a world of wonders, just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find.
This place, this cafe is so pretty, and I feel like everybody who comes here, this is obviously not sponsored, but anyone who comes here should definitely come to this cafe. Just look at the view, it's amazing. Vanshika has her own security guard also.
Of course, yeah, typical South Delhi girl.
Matching bracelets. ये देख लो जरा।
अच्छा बनाया ना उसने, वो लग ही रहा था, वो वर्ड बड़ी अच्छी है। मुझे बता दिया था ना मोदी
The sushi second. I want to get a room with the sushi. It's that good.
wonders, just you and me lost in the moment.
चॉइस कैसी लगी प्रियांशु आपको पहली बारी लाइफ में?
Vanchika Tosis restaurant is actually very. I think this is one of the best restaurants I've been to. in my life.
आप मेरी ड्रेस देखना था प्लीज। आई
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic love.
We're finally at the beach. We ate. we ate so much food. भाई वहाँ पे देख 333.
As we twirl in the magic of the
This just means that the universe is with us and this is so pretty. और मैं पानी के अंदर जा रही हूँ.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our
This place, like, I'm literally in front of the sunset right now, and it looks unreal. Look at that. These bitches are clicking their pictures. I spent 1 hour just clicking their pictures, and they like 2 of it. I don't know. Look at this property, bro. Like, I want one day my house to look like that. That'll be my house one day. Okay, so I am editing right now, and this is a story time that you need to know. So after that Del Mar cafe, we went back to our hotel and we changed, okay, because we were just like, we were gonna quickly leave for this other cafe, right? So we got ready, we left, and when we entered, there was like nobody at the cafe. First of all, it was at the most shady place possible, and second of all, there was like no one at the cafe. It was just 3 of us, and then I think 1 or 2 other people at like the bar, and I don't even, it could just be their own staff. So we were like really confused and shit, but then we were like, oh, we've come, so we just might as well eat and all that. What the hell? Anyway, so we did that, and then just watch what happened. It's fucked. हमें कैफे आए थे,
पेंसिल है भाई।
और वो पीछे मेरे पता नहीं आपको सुनसान रोड दिखे ना दिखे, बट देयर इज नथिंग. और
कमिंग फ्रॉम नोवेयर
भूत पिशाच के और भैंचोद फुकेत में हम लोग एक तो इतनी घटिया कैफे गए थे हम, इतना घटिया. ऊपर से
बता दो दे किसकी चॉइस बता दे भाई। तो चॉइस क्या, बैंकॉक का अच्छा है वो।
ये गई हुई है ना बैंकॉक. पूछिए तेरा कितनी बार गई है बैंकॉक.
अगर in this vlog somebody has been to Tijuca in Bangkok, they must know. They should follow me.
Anyway, तो हम लोग
follow me also.
They should follow me. बहुत गलत वहाँ चले गए ये वो. हम इतनी सुनसान रोड से हमें ड्राइवर्स कॉल कर रहे हैं कि हमें अंदर नहीं आने दे रहे हैं और आपको बाहर चल के आना पड़ेगा. और हम हील में ड्रेस में भैंचोद कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ चल रहे हैं. वहाँ साइड में जंगल है, यहाँ पता नहीं क्या है, और हम बस जा रहे हैं. और मेरा फाइट मोड एक्टिवेट हो चुका है.
भाई ये बॉटल इज फॉर फकिंग 250 रुपीज.
और अब हम बाहर आ चुके हैं. हमारा कैब अभी भी 1 मिनट लगाएगा. अगर ये ब्लॉग नहीं आगे कंटिन्यू हो पाता तो
समझ जाना. पापा आई एम सो सॉरी, आपकी बात मान लेनी चाहिए थी. हम तो तुम दोनों के साथ नहीं आना चाहिए.
तो चुप रहे, ठीक है,
चुप रहा.
तो लेट हम इसलिए मेरी यहाँ
ये
मेरी आ गया कैब आ गई भाई.
चलो
मेरी यहाँ फोटो खींच दो, मेरी यहाँ फोटो खींच दो. वहाँ से पीछे से वो आए,
ये लक्षिता भाटिया
वो आएगा पीछे.
मैंने परेशान करा फोटो.
Now, while going back, when we were like, you saw that we were looking for a cab and all that, we sat in the cab, and that driver was so like, I don't know, it was just giving sussy baka vibes, and then we were like, what the fuck? But we had no other option. So I was just like praying to God, and I had like the Google Maps on throughout in case something happens, and I was just, like looking at, like, I know how to drive, so I was just like, I can just pull the handbrake, fuck him up, and whatever. My fight mode was on again. And then on the way we saw like we took like a lot of wrong turns. Like he took a lot of wrong turns, and I was like, what the hell? And then we like came to the right place at the end. But then on the way we saw one car crash into this one girl on the scooter, and you know, like, oh my god, like her knee was, she had like a proper ACL injury. Like, if this is her knee, it went inside. Like, it was hectic. I still can't like take that out of my but yeah, whatever. This, so I want you guys to know that.